Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to make money online with zero knowledge, so this video for you. If you are a student and if you are a housewife or if you are a job holder and if you want to start your side hustle, so you can start your journey in 2024. So I will show you the step-by-step process where you can understand how is it possible or not, is it legit or not. So from where you should start your journey and how you can start, how you can create your profile and how you can sell your service and finally how you can make money. So before jumping into the video, if you are new in this channel, so I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos for you how you can start your freelancing journey and how you can make money online, how you can start your online business, how you can start blogging and YouTubing. So if you are interested to watch this kind of videos and change your life, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Also don't forget to check the playlist section where you can see the different kind of how you can make money on Pinterest, Canva tutorials, also Fiverr data entry jobs and YouTube tips and tricks and many more. So let's dive in. So first of all, what services you can provide with zero knowledge? So this is called translation job. So I will show you the step where you can get the job, how we can complete the project and how we can deliver and make money. So right now I am on the Fiverr.com and it's a freelance service platform where you can sell your service like AI artist, logo design, WordPress, voiceover, video explainer and many more. Hundreds of category over there. So you can sell your services. Alright, so I will show you the translation job and let's find the writing and translation job. So first thing first, we have to understand the job and the job availability. Okay, so let's check it out. Type it here, translation, and first gigs, it is called gig in Fiverr. Alright, so remember it. The first gig, I will translate English to Polish and she charges $5 as a starting. Okay, and the more interesting thing is that you can charge word by word. Okay, I will show you that. And the second gig is I will translate English to Japanese, manual or both. And the third one is she is top rated. I will accurately translate English to a Spanish native translator. Alright, and check it out and you will see the thousands of sellers, they are offering their services. So if you are a native English and you know the Spanish well, so you can translate English to Spanish, this kind of. Okay, I will translate English to Thai. All right, and I will translate English to Turkish, also different kind of language, Korean, Japanese, China, German, English, different kind of languages. And if you don't know any English or any other languages, so don't worry, you have chances over there and I will show you the tricks how you can make money using your zero skills. So first of all, here you can see the translate from. So pick a language, select English or any kind of language and translation to like German and apply. So you will see the person like 3,900 plus person, that's mean they are offering these services. I will reliably translate English to German and vice versa. Alright, and the second one is level 2 seller. So let's check it out. Is there any job available right now there or not? Alright, so this person already completed 1083. Alright, so this person already completed 2300 orders completed. Alright, and this gig, especially this gig, got 1083 5-star ratings. I will translate English to German. Okay, all right. And the prices, so let's see the prices section and how much he already earned. Okay, so let's calculate. So basic section, express 125 word translation and he earned $5. Okay, and the standard package is 20% off and 2000 word translation $60 and premium is 1000 words to $50. All right, so let's calculate the standard package. Let's see, he already completed 2300 orders and the average package is $60. So 2300 completed multiply 60, that's mean 1,38,000 USD dollars you already earned. Okay, it is the total number of order completed. But if you calculate only these services, so let's calculate again. 1083 multiplied by 60 $64,980 he already made, but I can assure you that he already earned more than 64,000 USD, more than and above 1 lakh USD. I can tell you because from my experience as a freelancer and Fiverr seller. So let's check another one. All right, already. So first one, and this person already completed 2,800 orders. All right, and standard package is $25. So let's calculate 280 multiply 25, it's an average 70,000 USD, and already he got Fiverr choices, and especially these services already he got 1,536 order already completed, and this is the assumption, but already he completed more than 2,000, I think so. This is the 38,000. Imagine that you are selling a digital product, digital service. So this is really powerful in 2024. So just grab a skill and sell your services. All right, so English to Spanish. So this lady already made $25 as a standard package. So let's calculate. All right, I will accurately translate English to Spanish. Native translator already completed 2020 orders. Standard package is $50. So let's calculate 2200 and click 50. Okay, so 1,10,000 USD, and already he got Fiverr choice and 1,000 orders completed only for this. So let's calculate 1,000 multiply 50, that's mean 50,000 USD only for this gig. Okay, so you can better understand and you can got this point, and I don't need to prove it is legit or not, you can already understand that. So how you can start your journey? Okay, so you have to create an account that I've already showed you. Already you knew that a job opportunity, and the next step is you have to create a Fiverr seller account. So this is the Fiverr website, and here you can see the join, sign in and become a seller. So don't click sign in or join as a seller, you have to click on become a seller. Click on that, become a seller, and it will come up a new page. Here you can see a gig is bought every 4 seconds. That's been worldwide. It's a worldwide website and it's a worldwide platform, so every 4 seconds a gig is bought. Okay, so it is amazing. So click on become a seller, and over 600 categories over there. That's mean if you want to start your freelancing business, so you can use Fiverr very smartly. Okay, so as a beginner, if you don't have any account, just using your Google you can create your account. Also you can use Facebook, Apple or any. So input your email address and a password, and it should be very strong password, and your email address you can create a brand new email address for Fiverr. So your account will be created, and let's talk about the second part, how we can set up your account. Alright, in this part I will discuss how you can set up your Fiverr account. So you have to upload a picture. Okay, so very clear and very professional, and you can see the description. That's mean you are a translator and you want to sell your service as a translator. So write it down as a description, and also input your languages and test taken. It don't need to you right now, and skills. That's mean if you have multiple skills you can add also here your education and certification. That's it. And then you have to create a gig, and I'm not going to create a Fiverr gig for you in this video. So if you watch full tutorials, so comment below, I will show you how you can create a Fiverr gig so that you can sell your services. So if you have a zero skills and you don't know the multiple languages, for that I'm going to show you two websites. This is called Monica AI. It's a free AI translator powered by ChatGPT 3.5 and 4, and also another one quillbot.com. So they have a Google Chrome extension. Also you can check out this. So also you can check out this popular translation language Paris. Alright, here you can see the different kind of translation, English to Danish, different kind of translation over there, and also you can check all languages Paris. So you will see the all languages Paris available for AI translation. It's really amazing. So check these languages over there. So you can use this website, and let's check their pricing section. you can purchase your yearly package or monthly package. And when you get order from your Fiverr, so just come here and just use these tools. So if you have any file, that's mean buyer will give you a text file or PDF file, whatever it is, just paste it here and you will see the different kind of language over there. Okay, so check it out and just upload your file and just select your language and it will come up with your final result. So they have also a free version and they have premium version. So if you use this kind of tools, so 3-day money back guarantee. So check it out and contact with them if you start your freelance business this kind of way. Okay, I'm not to taking any more time, so I think you can better understand the job opportunity and how you can start your Fiverr account and how you can complete your project using 2 websites. Okay, and there are many websites, so you can Google it and find your best one and just sell your services. So this is how you can make money using your zero skills. So if you like this video, please comment below, and no more today, I will come back with another tutorial. So have a good day, tata, bye bye.